Hello guys, my name is Shubroto and in this video I am going to talk about this Boat Bass Edge 152. I got it from Amazon for around 450 rupees and currently you can get it for 400 if you have a Prime account. So I have been using it for 7 days now. As you can see, I don't have the earphone here. I have already unboxed it. So let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so we have some paper. I don't know what the fuck is this, but let's keep this aside. We also get a leaflet, I guess this is what it's called, and we have Guru Randhawa everywhere. Anyway, so we have extra ear tips. So keeping this all aside, let's look at the earphones. The braided cable, and it's amazing. And also the 3.5mm jack is gold finish, so that's a good thing, I guess, because in this budget you don't get it generally. And we also have the mic and one button which can be pressed to pause the music, or double press to go to the next track, and maybe 3 times will get you to the previous track. Anyway, I've wrote down some points. I've already talked about the build quality, which is very good in this price segment. And now talking about the volume, which is really good, because at 50% also it's really loud and the music doesn't distort at all. And I have the MI basic earphones maybe, which costs around 700 rupees, and the volume in that earphone is not that like high, but these earphones at a cost of 450 rupees only gives you so much. I would say that this is the best earphone, or one of the best earphone you can get under 500 rupees. Currently it's 400 rupees on Amazon, and it's a really good earphone in this price segment. Other earphones like have very cheap build quality and the music output is not that good, but in these earphones the bass is amazing and the high tones are really good, like really good. Okay, so the one thing I don't like about this earphone is that the cable after the mic part is really thin, and I am very scared that it will tear apart. Anyway, this was my review of the Boat Bass Edge 152, and if you liked the video, then do comment and like and subscribe to my channel for more further videos, and I will be very regular from now, I guess, maybe.